Pet hair everywhere? Dust hiding under furniture? And a vacuum that never feels powerful enough? What if one cordless vacuum could handle everything? Carpets, hard floors, pet hair, and even allergens without switching tools? Meet the Shark PowerPro Flex Pet Plus cordless vacuum, and right now, it's available at an unbelievable 50% off. Let's be honest, most vacuums struggle. They lose suction, get tangled with hair, can't reach under furniture, and push dust back into the air you breathe. If you have pets, kids, or allergies, cleaning can feel like a never-ending battle. That's exactly why Shark engineered this next-level solution. The Shark PowerPro Flex Pet Plus delivers HyperVelocity suction, giving you powerful, consistent cleaning for everyday messes. Without cords, without hassle. From stubborn pet hair to fine dust, this vacuum is built to deep clean your entire home effortlessly. With multi-flex technology, the wand bends so you can easily clean under beds, sofas, and low furniture. No more kneeling or moving heavy items. And when you're done, it folds neatly for compact storage. Thanks to Floor Detect technology, the vacuum automatically senses whether you're on carpet or hard floors and adjusts brush roll speed instantly. No buttons, no nozzle changes, just perfect cleaning on every surface. Pet owners will love the self-cleaning, no hair wrap brush roll. It picks up pet hair powerfully, without tangles or constant maintenance. Breathe cleaner air with HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal technology. It captures and traps over 99.97% of dust and allergens, keeping them locked inside, not floating back into your home. Plus, LED headlights illuminate dark corners so you never miss hidden dust or debris. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of runtime, giving you enough power to clean your entire home in one go. No interruptions, no recharging mid-clean. And here's the best part. For a limited time, the Shark PowerPro Flex Pet Plus is available at 50% off. That's premium Shark performance, powerful pet hair pickup, advanced floor detection, and HEPA filtration for half the price. Don't miss this deal. Upgrade the way you clean. Make your home fresher, healthier, and pet hair free, starting today. Click now, grab the 50% discount, and experience the power of Shark cleaning.